video.
Whoa! Whoa! This book!
A book? A Mickey Mouse book.
Who's on that book?
I know.
Who else?
Mom, look at this big mess.
That's a fun big mess, isn't it?
Yeah.
Did you ask Santa for a Lotso bear?
I wanted him. Right, Mama?
You did, Mia. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
See, Santa brought him. You asked for him.
Thank you.
Whee!
Mom, can you put it on the other side because my water's on that?
Lotso can sit right in my lap.
Okay, yay. Whoa!
Hi, buddy.
Hey.
You trying to open that? It's stuck.
Let me see it, buddy.
Looks like a caterpillar. Oh, what's that? Who is that, Mia? Who is that?
YouTube.
Is that Rapunzel?
Yeah.
Hi, boys. Merry Christmas, Daddy.
Merry Christmas, Mommy.
Hi, Alex.
Hi. And then this one is
Wait. Don't open that. Mia Nicole. What is that? What are you got?
Give this to me.
No, it says Mia and Alex. What is it?
Who's on there?
Is that a note
Who else?
from Santa? Wait, Mia Nicole. Bring me the note. Don't open it yet. Just bring me the note. Can we all say Merry Christmas?
I can't see the note.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Alex, can you say Merry Christmas? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas 2010.